Master English alone, a complete self-study introduction. Fluency is not a gift, it is a daily practice. This video for anyone determined to master English independently, without teachers, courses, or the perfect environment. If you have ever felt stuck, nervous, or unsure when speaking English, you are not alone. Many learners understand grammar yet hesitate when it is time to speak. This happens not because they lack ability, but because they lack structure, belief, and consistent habits. This video provides a system, a professional framework that has helped thousands of self-learners progress from silence to confidence. Each chapter focuses on mindset, methods, and practice routines you can apply immediately. Part 1. Build the right mindset. Most people begin by asking, how many hours should I study? A better question is, how can I stay consistent? Fluency grows from mindset, not from hours alone. If you believe English is something difficult or foreign, you will resist it. But if you treat it as a part of your identity, something you use daily, you will progress naturally. Key principles: replace doubt with identity. I am an English speaker in progress. Forget the concept of study time. Instead, aim for no zero English days. Even a single sentence keeps your momentum alive. Celebrate mistakes. They are the evidence of effort. Fluency is not built in long sessions. It is built in short, consistent repetitions over time. Part 2. Practice self-talk. You do not need a speaking partner to learn to speak. Waiting for the right person or perfect situation often results in silence. The most reliable partner you will ever have is yourself. Self-talk transforms passive knowledge into active fluency. It trains your mouth, mind, and confidence simultaneously. The 4W self-talk framework. What are you doing? I'm writing an email. What are you thinking? I feel excited about my progress. What do you see? There's a book on the table. What will you do next? I'll review my notes after dinner. Practice this aloud each day. Use a mirror to build awareness and comfort. The more you talk to yourself, the less fear you'll feel when speaking to others. Part 3. Master repetition. Fluency is repetition done intelligently. Many learners chase new vocabulary but forget it quickly. Professionals repeat familiar language until it becomes automatic. The fluency repetition cycle. Select one useful phrase. Example: could you please repeat that? Repeat it 50 times, varying tone and speed. Use it in conversation or self-talk. Review it at the end of the day. After 10 days, you will command 10 powerful, natural sentences. Repetition converts knowledge into instinct, the true foundation of fluency. Part 4. Apply the 3X method. Listen, copy, speak. Fluency requires both comprehension and production. The 3X method links the two. Step 1. Listen deeply. Choose a short audio or video clip, 15 to 30 seconds. Focus on rhythm, tone, and emotion, not just words. Step 2. Copy exactly. Imitate the speaker's voice, speed, and feeling. This shadowing exercise builds pronunciation, stress, and confidence. Step 3. Speak from memory. Repeat the same lines without the audio. Test your memory and delivery. Record yourself and compare with the original to identify gaps. Spend 5 minutes on this method, 3 times a day. It is one of the fastest ways to sound natural. Part 5. Embrace imperfection. Perfection is the biggest obstacle to fluency. Many learners delay speaking until they can form flawless sentences. Unfortunately, waiting for perfection means waiting forever. Speak early and adjust later. A message communicated imperfectly is still communication. Over time, clarity and correctness will follow. Practical mindset. Focus on being understood, not on being perfect. Learn from every error. Treat feedback as improvement, not as failure. Confidence does not come from perfect English, it comes from continuous use. Part 6. Build a morning fluency routine. Begin each day by activating your English point. 10 focused minutes in the morning will set the tone for the entire day. Suggested routine: talk, 3 minutes. Describe your plans and emotions aloud. Shadow, 3 minutes. Copy one native sentence or short clip. Write, 2 minutes. Record thoughts or reflections in English. Affirm, 2 minutes. Repeat positive statements such as, I am improving every day. My mistakes make me stronger. Recording this routine and reviewing it weekly allows you to see measurable progress. Part 7. Train the mouth. Fluency is physical. Your tongue, lips, and jaw must move smoothly to produce English sounds accurately. Regular mouth training develops muscle memory and pronunciation. 5-minute mouth workout. Stretch. 1 minute open and move your jaw. Relax your muscles. Sound practice. 2 minutes focus on difficult sounds. Th, R, V, W, Z. Speed practice. 1 minute repeat short, useful phrases quickly. Emotion practice. 1 minute express each line with different feelings. Happy, curious, serious. Repeat this exercise daily to strengthen articulation and rhythm. Part 8. Sustain progress. Language learning is a long journey. Motivation may rise and fall, but discipline keeps you moving. Strategies for sustainability. Track your speaking hours or words used each week. Reward yourself for consistency, not for perfection. Join online communities or challenges for accountability. Revisit earlier recordings to appreciate your growth. Fluency is not a final destination, it is a lifestyle built one sentence at a time. Conclusion: you do not need ideal conditions to become fluent. You need consistent habits, a strong mindset, and the courage to use your voice every day. Speak in the morning. Reflect at night. Repeat what works. Point: one day, English will no longer feel foreign, it will feel natural, because it will belong to you. You are not only learning a language. You are becoming a confident communicator, clear, capable, and unstoppable.